Today we are making Schiacciata, a simple Tuscan flatbread that's soft, aromatic and beautifully golden. It's perfect on its own or stuffed with your own favorite filling. Let's get started. In a bowl, 500 grams of flour, 5 grams of salt, 7 grams of yeast, 20 milliliters of olive oil, 5 milliliters of honey, 340 milliliters of water. Mix until your dough is formed. Flour your workspace. Knead until your dough is smooth. Transfer to well-oiled bowl. Cover and let it rest for 1 hour. Now fold the dough 3 times. Let it rest for another 30 minutes. Line a baking pan with parchment paper and grease it with olive oil. Place the dough inside, then wet your fingertips to help you to shape it. Gently stretch it out to fill the pan and press with your fingertips to form dimples all over the surface. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes again. Sprinkle coarse salt over the dough. Drizzle with olive oil. Stretch it again to fit the pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 230 Celsius for 7 minutes. Then lower the temperature to 190 Celsius and bake for another 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, remove it from the pan. Place it directly on the oven rack and bake for a final 9 minutes for that perfect crust.